Borrow trust until you own it. That's the game. You see, when you're new, you don't need louder claims. You need proof that sells for you. And anyone can copy a claim. No one can copy your proof. And here's why most offers flop. Not because the price is wrong or the funnel's broken, but because belief is low. People don't buy when they're uncertain. They're asking one silent question. Will this work for me? And most businesses answer that question with words. But belief isn't built through telling. It's engineered through showing. So if your calendar is full of no-shows or tire kickers, it's not a leads problem. It's a proof problem. Proof moves people towards certainty, and that's the goal. Now, to engineer belief, you need to build a proof engine, or rather a system that captures, organizes, and deploys evidence automatically. And you can absolutely do that inside of HighLevel. So how do you do that? Well, you want to first capture. Now, your goal inside of HighLevel is to capture your wins. You want to set up workflows that automatically capture the moment a lead turns into a customer. So you want to either trigger on the opportunity status change or when the appointment is completed. Then what you want to do is go ahead and immediately send them a request for a review through email, SMS, whatever the channel makes most sense for your business. Then your goal is to really direct all incoming reviews to your reputation management flows where you can monitor and then reply. Then from there is step 2. And step 2 is to deploy. Now, after that initial workflow has triggered, your goal is to send your team a notification and to try to capture that review that's been received. Now, if it's 5 stars, you want to take that review and mark it and tag it as proof eligible. Why is that important? Because then you can reach out to that person and ask them for a video testimonial. Doesn't have to be long, but your goal is to capture raw and believable proof. And by automating it, it'll be on autopilot. And that's the goal, right? So it goes from lead to customer to review. They get 5 stars. From review, you encourage them to set you up with a live testimonial. Now, once you have that raw video, the next piece that you want to do is you want to display it. You want to add a testimonial element to all your pages, especially the ones in your funnel. And these are ones that you can then match your proof to the individual avatar that you're targeting. Then you want to add this proof above any call to action element, as well as next to any pricing sections in your funnels or websites. Then set up a pre-call proof drip, ideally 2 to 3 short touches before someone meets you. So if you think about the process, it's after they book a call with you, but before they actually talk to you. So a testimonial then is what you send them. And you want to introduce it as perhaps a behind the scenes, a sort of how we did it, right? So you can send them the testimonials from someone just like them. A screen capture of a live result or a video is really key. This pre-call sequence warms the buyer up and it boosts show rates. It raises the buying temperature and you're not chasing trust, you're stacking it. Now, once you start building all these testimonials, your goal is to organize it, right? You have to make sure that you don't lose these because it's important to focus on improving each of your videos. Now, here's a tip. The rawer the footage, the more people will believe because it will feel the least tampered with. Now, from there, what do? You display it to the masses. You amplify the message. You build a dedicated proof page, a floor-to-ceiling wall of reviews, screenshots, and testimonial clips. Then link that page from every call to action in your funnel because quantity persuades. And one more thing. Match proof to the person. Keep it current and compliant for your niche or state. That's how you turn proof into a conversion system, not a wish. Now, a client once asked me, can proof really move the needle? Now, we didn't change his copy, his funnel, or his ads. We just added one row of testimonial clips above his form and linked to a dedicated proof page. But within days, his pipeline started filling with warmer, faster closing leads and reduced the no-show rate. That's important because that became a double-digit lift from engineered belief. And because people see others like them winning with you, they stop wondering if it will work for them and start asking, when can they start? So if you're someone that's still relying on claims, it's time to build your proof engine. Inside our community GHL Money Labs, I'll show you how to install your review workflow, proof drip, and testimonial system step by step so your proof sells before you ever speak. So I encourage you to join GHL Money Labs, my community, to connect with other agency builders and get access to the playbooks that we use every single week. Now, full transparency, if you decide to sign up for HighLevel using my affiliate links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but it's one way to support the channel while getting the exact tools I use. Now, I'll leave you with this. What's one piece of proof you already have but haven't shown yet? Drop it down in the comments. I read everyone.